Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to unblock your WeChat account. So let's begin. Are you facing the problem that even after putting on the correct phone number and password you are being unable to enter into your WeChat account? Then I have the solution for you. On the bottom you can see the more options section. Tap on it and click on Help Center. Once the help center has been opened, you can see various options. You can just tap on how do I unblock my account option, which is on the first. Now scroll all the way down till you find the tap here font written in green color. Tap on it and scroll to the bottom. There you will see tap here option. Just click on it. Now fill all the details asked by the WeChat app. Once you have filled the details there, you can also add the description about your issue. Simply write the details that I have written under the description section. After that, you can also upload the screenshot to give the WhatsApp proof about your problem. Once you upload the screenshot, do not forget to add your WeChat account number and also your email. Now, you have to choose either to be contacted through WeChat or through email. I would suggest you to choose email since it would be easier as our WeChat is facing a problem right now. And after filling up all the details, simply tap on the submit button and your report has been filed to WeChat app. After 2 to 3 days, you'll receive the message from your WeChat and your problem will be solved. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. If you have got any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.